Egypt, land of pharaohs, land of mystery. For centuries, people have traveled to Egypt. They come to see its wonders. From ancient pyramids to colorful reefs, Egypt has it all. The Nile River, a lifeline, flows through. It sustains life and beauty. Deserts stretch as far as the eye can see. They offer a different kind of wonder. Join us now. Let us explore Egypt's most stunning scenery. Discover the magic that has captivated hearts for millennia. Egypt awaits, ready to share its secrets. The Pyramids of Giza. They stand tall against the desert sky. These ancient structures are awe-inspiring. They are a testament to human ingenuity. Built as tombs for pharaohs, they are mysteries in stone. Imagine the effort. Thousands of workers, years of construction. The result? A wonder of the ancient world. Stand before them and feel their power. These timeless monuments connect us to the past. They remind us of the enduring power of human ambition. The pyramids are a sight you will never forget. The Nile River, flowing through the heart of Egypt. This iconic river is more than just water. It is the lifeblood of the country. For centuries, the Nile has provided water for crops, a way to travel. Its banks are fertile, supporting life. Villages dot the river's edge, full of vibrant life. Take a boat trip down the Nile. See the ancient temples along its banks. Experience the tranquility of the river. It is a journey through history and nature's bounty. The Red Sea Riviera, a paradise of turquoise waters, coral reefs teeming with life. This is a scuba diver's dream. Dive beneath the surface. Discover a world of wonder. Colorful fish dart in and out of the coral. Sea turtles glide gracefully. The Red Sea is a kaleidoscope of life. The warm, clear water invites exploration. Whether you snorkel or dive, the beauty will astound you. It's an unforgettable underwater adventure. Section 5. The White Desert. A surreal landscape of chalk formations. The White Desert, also known as Sahara el-Bayda, is a mesmerizing natural wonder located in Egypt. This unique desert is famous for its stunning white chalk rock formations that create an otherworldly landscape. Imagine a world of white, a vast expanse of desert where the ground is covered in a blanket of white sand and chalk, creating a stark contrast against the clear blue sky. The White Desert is a place where the ordinary rules of nature seem to be suspended. Strange shapes rise from the ground. These formations, sculpted over millennia by the relentless forces of wind and sand, take on bizarre and fantastical shapes. Some resemble giant mushrooms, while others look like abstract sculptures created by an artist with a wild imagination. These are chalk formations, sculpted by wind and sand. The wind has carved intricate patterns into the soft chalk, creating delicate and intricate designs that are a testament to the power of natural forces. The interplay of light and shadow on these formations adds to their surreal beauty. Walk through this surreal landscape. As you explore the White Desert, you'll feel like you've stepped into a dream. The silence is almost palpable, broken only by the occasional whisper of the wind. The ground beneath your feet is soft and powdery, and the air is filled with a sense of mystery and wonder. The silence is eerie, the beauty undeniable. The White Desert is a place of contrasts, where the starkness of the white landscape is softened by the gentle curves of the chalk formations. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and find peace in the quiet solitude. The White Desert is like stepping onto another planet. The landscape is so unique and otherworldly that it's easy to imagine you're on the surface of an alien world. The formations seem to defy gravity, and the play of light and shadow creates an ever-changing tapestry of shapes and colors. It is a photographer's dream. The White Desert offers endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. The stark white landscape, the dramatic formations, and the ever-changing light make it a paradise for photographers. Every angle reveals a new and breathtaking view. As the sun sets, the formations glow. The golden hour in the White Desert is a magical time. The setting sun bathes the landscape in a warm, golden light, making the chalk formations glow with an ethereal beauty. The long shadows cast by the formations add depth and drama to the scene. They cast long shadows across the sand. As the sun dips below the horizon, The shadows grow longer and more pronounced, creating a striking contrast against the white sand. The play of light and shadow transforms the landscape into a living work of art. It is a sight that will stay with you forever. The beauty of the white desert is unforgettable. The surreal landscape, the silence, and the sense of wonder it inspires will linger in your memory long after you've left. It's a place that touches the soul and leaves a lasting impression, a reminder of nature's artistry. The white desert is a testament to the incredible power and beauty of nature. The intricate chalk formations, sculpted by wind and sand, are a reminder of the artistry that can be found in the natural world. It's a place that inspires awe and reverence for the forces that shape our planet. Section 6. The Black Desert Volcanic Landscape and Stargazing Haven. Nestled in the heart of Egypt, the Black Desert is a mesmerizing expanse that captivates the imagination. This unique landscape is a testament to the Earth's dynamic geological history, offering a stark contrast to the more commonly known white desert. The Black Desert, a stark contrast to the white. Here, the dark volcanic hills rise dramatically against the pale sands, creating a visual spectacle that is both eerie and enchanting. The juxtaposition of these two deserts highlights the diverse natural beauty of Egypt. Here, volcanic hills dominate the landscape. These hills, formed from ancient volcanic activity, stand as silent sentinels over the desert. Their dark, brooding presence adds an element of mystery and intrigue to the region. Millions of years ago, volcanoes erupted. These powerful eruptions spewed molten lava and ash, shaping the land into the rugged terrain we see today. The remnants of these eruptions are scattered across the desert, telling a story of fire and transformation. They left behind a land of black stones and dark sand. The ground is covered in a layer of dark basalt, giving the desert its name. This unique composition creates a surreal and otherworldly atmosphere, making it a fascinating destination for geologists and adventurers alike. Climb to the top of a hill. As you ascend, the landscape unfolds beneath you, revealing the vast expanse of the Black Desert. The climb is challenging, but rewarding, offering a sense of accomplishment and a deeper connection to this ancient land. Look out over the desolate beauty. From the summit, the view is breathtaking. The desolate beauty of the Black Desert stretches out in all directions, a testament to the raw power of nature. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. At night, the stars come alive. As the sun sets, the desert transforms. The sky, free from the interference of city lights, becomes a canvas of twinkling stars. The Milky Way stretches across the heavens, a dazzling display of cosmic wonder. The Black Desert is far from light pollution. This isolation makes it one of the best places in the world for stargazing. The clarity of the night sky is unparalleled, offering a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. The sky explodes with stars. Each night, the desert is illuminated by countless stars, creating a magical and awe-inspiring experience. The sheer number of visible stars is staggering, a reminder of the infinite beauty of the cosmos. It's the perfect place for stargazing. Whether you're an amateur astronomer or simply a lover of the night sky, the Black Desert offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with the stars. Bring a telescope, or simply lie back and gaze up at the celestial wonders above. The Black Desert is a reminder of Earth's powerful forces. The dramatic geological formations are a testament to the planet's ever-changing nature. Each rock and hill tells a story of ancient eruptions and the relentless passage of time. It's a place of stark beauty and wonder. The Black Desert is more than just a landscape. It's a journey through time. Its stark beauty and profound silence offer a unique and unforgettable experience, inviting you to explore and reflect on the wonders of our planet. Section 7. Siwa Oasis, a tranquil escape in the heart of the desert. Siwa Oasis, a hidden gem nestled deep within the vast expanse of the desert. This oasis is a sanctuary of lush greenery amidst the arid sands, a hidden gem in the desert that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and tranquility. Here, palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their leaves rustling softly, creating a soothing symphony that calms the soul. Fresh water springs bubble to the surface, providing life-giving water to the flora and fauna that thrive in this serene environment. This is a place of peace and tranquility, where the stresses of modern life seem to melt away, replaced by a profound sense of calm. For centuries, Siwa has been a refuge for those seeking solace and a connection to nature. Its isolation has preserved its unique culture and traditions. Explore the ancient ruins that tell the story of a rich and storied past. These remnants of history offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once called this oasis home. Relax in the natural springs, where the warm, mineral-rich waters provide a therapeutic escape from the outside world. Experience the slow pace of life in Siwa, where time seems to stand still, and every moment is an opportunity to savor the simple pleasures. Siwa Oasis offers a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, a serene escape where you can unwind and recharge. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and yourself, to find inner peace and harmony in the heart of the desert. Whether you're exploring the lush palm groves, soaking in the natural springs, or simply enjoying the quiet beauty of the landscape, Siwa Oasis is a place where you can truly escape and find tranquility. Section 8. Mount Sinai. A sacred mountain with breathtaking views, Mount Sinai, towering over the desert landscape. This mountain holds deep religious significance. It is said that Moses received the 10 Commandments here. The climb to the summit is a challenge, but the reward is worth it. From the top you can see for miles. The views are breathtaking. Sunrise from Mount Sinai is a spiritual experience. The world seems to stretch out before you. It's a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. Section 9. The Valley of the Kings, Royal Tombs and Ancient Secrets. The Valley of the Kings, hidden within the desert hills. This valley is home to the tombs of pharaohs. Step inside the tombs. Be amazed by the intricate decorations. Hieroglyphics tell stories of the pharaohs' lives. Discover the treasures they took to the afterlife. The Valley of the Kings is a glimpse into ancient Egypt. It is a place of mystery and wonder. It's a reminder of the grandeur and power of the pharaohs. Section 10. Abu Simbel, Ramses II's Grandiose Temple, Abu Simbel, carved directly into a cliff face. This temple complex is a testament to the power of Ramses II. 4 colossal statues guard the entrance. They are a sight to behold. Inside, the temple is just as impressive. Hieroglyphics and carvings adorn the walls. They tell the story of Ramses II's reign. Abu Simbel is a masterpiece of ancient Egyptian architecture. It is a must-see for any visitor to Egypt. Section 11. Conclusion. Explore the world's beauty. From the pyramids to the Red Sea, Egypt is a land of wonder. Its beauty is diverse and captivating. It is a place that will stay with you long after you leave. We've only scratched the surface. There is so much more to see and experience in this amazing country. What other parts of the world should we explore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking journeys.